Stonefield Estates is a gated luxury home community where just 41 semi-custom homes are being developed on oversized lots averaging 1/2 acre. At Stonefield Estates, you'll discover wide, spacious streets and abundant spacing between each home. Stonefield Estates features warm, early California-style floor plans, and the attractive designs encourage indoor-outdoor living that's perfect for entertaining family and friends, or simply relaxing and enjoying the views of the Santa Rosa and Chocolate Mountains. Each luxury home features a distinctive, one-of-a-kind elevation and includes an impressive list of standard luxury features,